in small packages. The same is true of chia seeds, which are extremely good and power-packed with nutrients and minerals. Chia seeds have gained in popularity in recent years due to the many health benefits that can be gained by eating them on a regular basis. These seeds can easily be incorporated into your diet by doing things like mixing them into your yogurt at breakfast, adding them to a post-workout smoothie. This has some chia seed benefit. Supercharge metabolism. Chia seeds are a rich source of calcium, with 2 tablespoons of whole chia seeds providing more than 130 milligrams of calcium. Calcium plays a role in energy metabolism, and it may help regulate body composition and reduce body fat percentage. Using chia seeds a day, you can help boost your metabolism and burn belly fat as well. Studies show that the addition of chia seeds to your diet also reduces visceral adipose tissue, a belly fat tissue that affects the metabolism of the body and is a component of obesity. Fight breast and cervical cancer. Chia seeds are rich in alpha-linoleic acid, which is an omega-3 fatty acid. Journal of Molecular Biochemistry found that ALA limited the growth of cancer cells in both breast and cervical cancers. They also found that it caused cell death of the cancer cells without harming the normal healthy cells. Maintains blood sugar and cholesterol. Chia seeds are good for your overall digestive and metabolic health. Some of the most recent studies have linked chia seed consumption with healthy blood sugar levels, HDL, good cholesterol, as well as reduced levels of triglycerides, blood fat, and LDL, bad cholesterol. These can safely be consumed by diabetics and can also aid in maintaining healthy heart and bones. Boost immune system. Chia seeds can give your immune system a serious boost as a side effect of balanced gut health. Consuming the seeds help produce. The immune system is impacted by your gut health, so improving your gut can help you to avoid many types of diseases and illnesses. Stronger bones. Did you know eating chia seeds can improve your bone health? 1 serving of chia seeds contains 18% of your daily recommended intake of calcium, which is beneficial for maintaining good, strong bones. We really hope you find this video helpful, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe this channel and share it with your friends and family. Thank you and have a beautiful day.